play, I slay. I don't walk, I strut, and then sashay. But I don't work for free, that's not the tea, hunty. So make it rain on me, and I might let you see. What you gonna let them see? My nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels. My nails, hair, hips, heels.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am DeCardia, also known as Synthetic Wig Whisperer. If you are new here and you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. So in today's 5-minute hairstyle video, y'all, I got this wig and I wasn't for sure if I liked it or not. It has two colors. One side is like a copper color and the other one is brown. I literally had this wig for 2 months and I have not put it on, mainly because it's not my cup of tea. But I am going to put it on for you guys today because there could be a baddie on a budget out there in the world that actually like this. So I can't limit myself to just wearing one particular style. So here's the unit.
30 hertz straight up.
So the good thing about this unit, you can wear it in the middle or on the side. So I've decided to make this a glueless install. So yeah, let's get started, y'all.
Straight up. 30 hertz straight up.
Take your time, what's the rush? Ooh. I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said, take your time, what's the rush? Oh. I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I can smoke no Reggie, so pardon my bluntness. I see past pretty faces, so I got trouble trusting.
This install did not take a long time to do, and that's what I love. But I kind of don't like this color, as in the two-tone. But like I said, this could be for anybody out there that loves something like this. So since I've did this glueless, I just wanted to play with it, you know, put it in the middle, put it on the side, so you can see exactly what this wig looks like. So me personally, I would give this unit a 7 out of a 10. There's nothing truly wrong with it. It's literally the color. I don't like it. I'm sorry. I just don't. But when I tried it a different way, such as flipping it over, y'all, I fell in love with it then. Like, I would give this hairstyle right here, it'll bump up to an 8. I absolutely love this. But anyway, that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much. If you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. And I will check you guys later in another video. Bye.
But it's never the same as the first time we did it. First time we did it. But I let my guard